Want to profit when crypto prices are falling? Let's dive into short selling on Blofin. First, ensure you understand Blofin's margin requirements. This is the collateral needed to open a short position. Check Blofin's website or app for specific asset requirements. Next, you'll need to borrow the asset you intend to short. Blofin allows you to borrow directly on the platform. Select the asset, enter the quantity, and confirm the borrowing terms. Now, it's time to execute your short trade. Navigate to the trading pair, select the sell or short option, enter your desired price and quantity, and confirm the order. Once your order is filled, your short position is open. The next step is managing it. Monitor your position closely. Set stop-loss orders to limit potential losses if the price rises unexpectedly. To close your position and take profit, place a buy order to buy back the asset you initially borrowed. Do this when you believe the price has bottomed out. When the buy order is filled, the asset is returned, and you keep the difference as profit. Remember, short selling involves risk. Always manage your positions carefully and good luck.